SHIBUYA Vacuum Pump and Vacuum Base for anchor-free coring. SHIBUYA Vacuum Base Pad, sized to match your core drill stand. Attach the vacuum hose. Connect one end of the vacuum hose to the SHIBUYA Vacuum Base and the other to the SHIBUYA Vacuum Pump V300. Turn on the vacuum pump. Plug in the SHIBUYA V300 vacuum pump and switch it on. Monitor the pressure gauge. Allow the pump to build vacuum pressure. The pressure should reach an optimal level within 0.08 and 0.1, recommended for secure adhesion. The rubber suction pad compresses downward, firmly pulling the vacuum base onto the surface. Strong suction for stability. Mount the core drill machine. Secure the SHIBUYA core drill machine onto the vacuum base. Lightly push the core drill stand to ensure it is securely held in place and does not shift. Keep the vacuum pump running at all times during coring to maintain suction. Remove the vacuum base. Once the pressure is released, lift the vacuum base off the surface. Clean the vacuum base and rubber suction pad after every use.